Algorand is a low-position coin with the ticker Algo that sort of has an especially present worth of $0.095694 and a market capitalization of $749.01580, which really is very huge. Digital currencies explicitly have pretty lengthy pasts, the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, which truly is genuinely critical. These days, it's a resource class that is considerably managed and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Some huge venture banks in any event, in every practical sense, get Algorand and other digital currencies as a group to safeguard their resources under administration, against the running expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Hence, a foresighted financial backer ought to sort of work essentially a piece of their portfolio around digital currencies, with the end goal of enhancement, and to sort of have the option to, for the most part, endure the truly potential disturbances on customary monetary business sectors. Further appearance how these days, it's a resource class that especially is significantly controlled and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate. Or so they by and large thought. Be that as it may, by and large, because of the innate unpredictability of Algo and the truly greater part of kind of other digital currencies, having crypto in the portfolio expects in every practical sense closer checking of the events on essentially expressed markets to truly have the option to enter-leave the situation at the most especially proper second, which explicitly is genuinely huge. It's reasonable that most financial backers don't in every practical sense have the by and large full-time ability to follow the business sectors by any means, essentially times or all things considered, anticipate their very likely developments, or so they in every way that really matters thought. To basically work with this errand, the accompanying Algorand cost expectation explicitly has been explained with the help of the high-level instrument named the Crypto Unpredictability Record, CVIX, to generally guarantee the precision and the legitimacy of this Algo cost gauge model in a kind of huge manner. Yet, prior to diving into the Algorand value examination and estimate, truly permit us to by and large repeat the basic standards of legitimate methodology towards putting resources into digital forms of money, or so they generally thought. Presently, now is the right time to especially uncover our short, mid, and really long-haul expectation of the improvements on the Algo market that truly depend on the readings of our genuinely special crypto unpredictability file that truly assists us with checking the market feeling and truly expect where in which the market plans to go, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. At this point, the cost of Algorand certainly is $0.095694, while the coin at present especially ends up at 46th spot in the truly generally positioning, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. The expressed sort of positioning fundamentally is assessed based on the resource's current value that explicitly is increased by its for the most part current market capitalization, an equation that essentially is applied all through every single monetary market. Or so they really thought. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients get the most pertinent information with respect to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios in a significant way. It's likewise critical to, in every practical sense, consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing, or so they for the most part thought. On August 18th, the cost of Algorand in every way that really matters was at $0.093300 toward the finish of the exchanging timeframe, during which the cost change in every practical sense added up to 0.82%, which is very critical. 7 days prior, on August 12th, Algo truly was esteemed at $0.112268, which truly intends that from that point forward, the cost in a real sense has commonly vacillated by 0%, or so they truly thought. A month prior, on July 19th, the market member laid out the cost of Algorand at $0.114021. Thusly, the coin in a real sense has made a 16.07% move to sort of arrive at its fundamentally present standings, or so they really thought. The examination of market capitalization essentially conveys commonly equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors in a fundamentally significant manner. As a matter of fact, similar numerical methodology in every practical sense is utilized to generally decide the kind of by and large position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example, in a truly significant way. Changes in market capitalization genuinely certain or most certainly negative, most certainly are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could in a real sense head, as well as the resources' true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes, in both all things considered, short and really long haul points of view, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. This in every practical sense, specific truly metric all things considered, is likewise used to measure the predominance of Algorand corresponding to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in an unobtrusive manner. To decide the sort of current market capitalization of Algo, we duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will be really made sense of later, by the sort of present worth of the digital money under survey in an exceptionally large manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Algorand fundamentally remains at $749.015 which shapes the reason for its in every practical sense, present really positioning that certainly was referenced before in an unpretentious manner. Recently, on August 18, Algo sort of had a market capitalization of $730,252,564, been large in spite of prevalent thinking. Keep going weak. On August 12, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to sort of was recorded at $876,869.30 in an unobtrusive manner. A month prior, on July 19, the market worth of Algorand in a real sense was evaluated to in a real sense be $888,378.082 in a significant manner. Absolute inventory considers the quantity of coins that have previously been created by different means, for example through mining, which explicitly is genuinely critical. These digital currencies can explicitly be utilized either for in every way that really matters, dynamic exchanging, or put away in financial backers' wallets, or with overseers in a very significant manner. This really metric additionally considers the coins that in a real sense have been eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which all things considered is applied to control the expansion rate, or so they generally thought. At this point, the sort of all-out supply of Algorand truly is laid out at 7,827,177,131 Algo, which truly is very huge. In conclusion, the coursing supply sort of is utilized to sort of compute the market capitalization and evaluate the coin's kind of current remaining in the positions in a kind of large way. It indicates the general measure of Algo that truly is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that for the most part are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use out of the blue, which really is very huge. It's by and large for the most part accepted that digital currencies that have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million really are the most appropriate for long-haul speculation, since they by and large are generally especially liable to basically see the value in esteem over a drawn-out time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. At this point,